Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own Zoom meeting. So if this sounds helpful to you, then keep watching the video till the end. And if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, do consider subscribing because we upload videos similar to this on a regular basis. Also, turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on videos that we upload in the future. So with that said, let's get straight into the video. Now to host your meeting, you firstly need to sign up for Zoom. You can sign up easily using your Google account or you can use your email address. But the easy way is to use your Google account. That way your account will be quickly created. After you created your Zoom account, you can see an interface similar to this. Here on the top right, you can see an option for host. Now before you host a meeting, you need to check the details of your meeting, such as the meeting ID and the password. To do that, you can go to the My Account section and then click on Meeting on the left panel. From the Meetings option, you can go to Personal Room. Now here are all the details. This is your meeting ID. People will need to enter the meeting ID to be able to join your meeting, and also the passcode. So people first will type in the ID and then they will need to type in the passcode. You can click on this show option and then the passcode will show. You can copy this link and send it to others. By doing this, they will no longer need the meeting ID and they can straight enter the passcode. You can also change this passcode by clicking on this edit option. From here, you can remove this and then type in a new passcode. And when you're done, you can hit save. So that's how you can create a Zoom meeting. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this.